What's really your biggest regret in life?
My biggest regret is probably not spending more time with family before they pass away.
More family time and less corporate.
Be loving and selfless. Give to others.
Yes, guys, we're in Lisbon, Portugal, and old people are one of the most wisest people in the world. So today we're gonna ask old people some life advice and we're gonna ask them their biggest regrets. How does it feel to be 50?
Bad. It feels bad.
It feels great.
And I still think of myself as being young.
Inside you, like deep in your heart, you don't age, right?
Your brain doesn't really change. Still the same as it was when you were 25.
Sometimes you feel the same as when you were 20.
Not good.
Not good?
No, because everything becomes harder.
Well, I don't know. I do my best to sort of keep going.
And in Portugal, it's not very good to become old.
And to be 75?
77.
Oh, 77.
And I feel great.
Oh, I feel great.
Are you enjoying Portugal? Are you enjoying Portugal?
Yeah. Oh, you're interviewing me. Yeah. How does it feel to be 45?
Great. I have financial security, so I can choose what kind of party I want to go.
Like popping bottles.
Popping bottles. I'm not Cristiano Ronaldo,
Okay.
but it's enough.
It's okay. I live my life and I'm happy.
It's really amazing. I enjoy every time of my life.
I love the country, I love the people, I love the weather, and I have the chance to meet this wonderful person.
Weet je.
I have friends all over the world, so I travel and visit.
It's fantastic.
Okay, nice.
You have to get there.
Oh,
That's the tricky thing.
we will get there.
I had the privilege to fulfill all my dreams. Now I have time for me to spend every day like it's the last day.
What's really your biggest regret in life?
Oh,
Look back and feeling that you haven't done enough for the proper thing.
that's a very
know.
difficult question.
I was very focused on my career. I don't believe that women can have it all. I really don't.
Not working hard at school, perhaps, like most people, I think.
Maybe to stay too long in the same job, to be focused on one thing.
And so if I had to do it all, I would have a more balanced life.
What's really your biggest regret in life?
What do you mean by bigger heaven? Regret?
Regret.
I don't regret anything. I got a great life. I have been very happy, very lucky, so no.
I haven't learned it yet. Patience. Patience.
My biggest regret is probably not spending more time with family before they pass away.
More family time, and less corporate.
Now I don't have any grandparents. I don't have any parents. You think back and you're like, well, wouldn't it be nicer to spend more time with them while they were alive?
Maybe I hurt sometimes, but it made me grow as a person.
Everything that you've done in your past was meant for a reason. You learn with your mistakes, so everything is a gain.
Not finishing and listening to my mother.
I don't think I made a lot of mistakes, really. Not. I don't think I made like big mistakes in my life. I had to do it anyway, to learn. So I don't regret anything.
Nice.
Let's keep going. I lived my life, and that's how I wish for everybody.
Yeah.
To be honest and to be straight.
And what is your best life advice for someone younger than you?
If you get a chance to do something, do it. Don't defer the decision.
Be loving and selfless. Give to others.
Work hard, stay honest, be humble.
Always be yourself. Never try to follow somebody else,
Don't think of yourself first. Think of others first.
Live your life at the fullest. Learn from your mistakes and grow.
Try to be happy. Try to be happy.
Exactly.
Try out different things. Don't be afraid.
Follow your dreams. Don't be afraid to make mistakes
Yeah.
and learn from them.
Love one another.
Enjoy your friends and your family. Live the most of it.
Be more open to things in the world.
Be happy and take care with you and the other people, and your friends and your family, and be happy.
Be honest about you and the world you live in.
Look for happiness instead of looking for the negative.
Try different things and do anything you like that at the end of your life you will be proud of.
What is some life advice you would give to people younger than you?
You have to believe in yourself and you have to follow your dreams.
To live my life, to live my present time.
I think it's so important to really believe in yourself and go for it.
Time goes by very fast. So follow your dreams, enjoy your friends, enjoy your relationships, do the job that you love the most.
Live your life. Don't live the other person's life.
Like, you can't expect other people to believe in you if you don't believe in yourself. Gotta do it.
Nice, nice. Obrigado.
Thank you.
Obrigado.